Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Next Weather Meteorologist Orelon Sidney joining me right now, and I was giving you grief earlier for having the umbrella indoors.
Well, we're sort of indoors. you see the big doors open up?
Oh yeah, okay, okay. But I may need to have your help because I don't have my umbrella, folks. It's in the car, so I'm probably going to need it.
I'll spot you one. No problem.
Thank you.
And you will need it, because take a look at this. Ooh. Radar showing rain. We have rain moving across the region right now, and it is needed. We did get some frozen precip, of course, as we talked about, but the rainfall will help us with our ongoing drought that actually did get worse, believe it or not, over the past 30 days. So rain moving in now. You're going to see some showers if you're traveling into the Atlanta area, if you're up around Gainesville, even out to Athens, southward to about Carrollton, you'll probably find some rain, as well as some moving across the northern part of the state. How much rain will we get? Well, some locations might only get a trace tomorrow, but tonight we're looking at rain across much of the northwest. Could get up to 19/100ths of an inch in places like Griffin, 22/100ths there at Eatonton, and just about everybody will get a couple of hundredths out of this, so that's better than nothing. But behind this, we actually have a really nice chance to dry out. We just have to get through Wednesday. So this is your forecast starting at midnight and then continuing on till about noon tomorrow, and then you can see a lot of this rain will start to end from the west to the east. It'll move out of the state as we go through your Wednesday evening and then leave us behind with some nice, hopefully clear skies. So here's what's happening across the southeast that's causing this. We have a couple of areas of low pressure, a little frontal system working its way across the eastern United States. That's going to be really from eastern Texas all the way up into the Ohio Valley. We do have high pressure down at the surface covering much of the eastern Gulf, but really Florida is benefiting from that. Even they're going to get some rain out of this system, though, as it works its way towards the east. As we look at our temperatures now, it's pretty moderate. Goodness gracious, don't we need it? Temperatures have finally started to get back close to normal. We actually hit 60 degrees today. That's above normal. We should be about 55, 54 for normal temperatures. And last check, we were down to 50 degrees. New Orleans, there 61, 49 degrees showing up at Tampa. What can you expect for your low temperatures tonight? Well, it's going to be a chilly one, but not as chilly as we have seen. I hope you do enjoy just a nice regular a nice regular night of temperatures. Low temperatures should be in the mid 40s across just about all of the area. Again, Atlanta right now 50 degrees, but we'll probably see about 46 by the time we hit tomorrow morning. Going into our extended forecast, well, we're going to have to probably take that at the end of the show, but there's a lot of sunshine here. We'll talk about it coming up. Sharon?
Looking forward to the sunshine, at least after the rain. Orelon, thank you.